finally back. Sick. Got some traffic on the Grapevine. Oh shit. Jesus. Car damn burned down. That's heat, no joke. She's finally back. Feels pretty good too. Doesn't feel as heavy as the Quartermaster. I mean, it's the XD triple disc. Clutch pedal feels good. Not too stiff like the other one. Because we're going from the hydraulic throttle bearing to the push style, or no, the pull, yeah. Because the hydraulic is a push. But yeah, she feels good. So we got that installed, the XD triple disc, and then back to the OEM setup with the pull, and then Mikey at Epic Performance, he came across one of his previous customers was going to get his spec Tcase. It's got hardened gears with the RS differential in the Tcase, and he said he had that available, 0 miles, brand new, just recently rebuilt, and the guy just pretty much didn't want to go with it, I guess, or just lost interest in the car that he was building, and I came up on a steal on that, so we got that. So we kind of got a mildly built Tcase, so the wheels can spin both at the same time with that RS diff. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much what I'm gonna be, probably the last thing I'm gonna be doing with this car for a while. But yeah, once I get this clutch broken out, drive it for a couple 100 miles, just normal, no pulls or anything, and then see how she does, because I'm tired of this freaking gear lockout.
So it's under the factory tune and stuff, but there's a place down the hill that specializes in these called Alba. They'll give me another computer and a muffler, and it'll wake it up like 40 more horsepower, but they're like, just when you take it back to the dealer, with the stock muffler and the computer back. Woo! Not bad, huh?
That thing goes.
It's not bad, huh?
That's not bad. That's sick. You undersold it, man.
You like it?
Yeah, I think sweet. Yeah. You're like,
Well, I'll let you get on your drive.
yeah, dude, I was up at like 4 o'clock, bro.
Then you have to get home.
Yeah.
All right, man.
All right, bro. Thanks, Mikey. And going back home. Thing's wicked. It's like a sequential shifter in that damn thing. It's sick. All right, on the road again. Yeah, the car's on fire right now. It's wild. Firefighters just got there, just trying to put it out. That's crazy. Jeez, this Bakersfield heat ain't no joke. Again. That's wild. Hope everyone's okay. Oh geez, I found a second car.